Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account cannot be used in this location in Netflix. For example, if you see this kind of error while you log in into your Netflix account, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, first of all, you have to simply log out your account, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to App Store, and after that you have to check whether you have updated the Netflix app. And if you have an updated app, then what you have to do, you have to simply go for the next solution. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So here you can see there is the update shown, and after update you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply check for the subscription, that your subscription is from which country. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply use the VPN, or you have to simply change the region of the App Store or your iPhone, so that you can simply enjoy your subscription of Netflix in any country or region. So there is the problem about the region or country or location. So you have to simply change your IP address to that location, so that you can simply use the Netflix account on that location. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you have to click on general, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage. And here what you have to do, you have to simply look for Netflix, and after finding Netflix, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Netflix, and you have to simply offload the app. And after offloading the app, you have to simply open the app again, so that, and you have to log in your account on Netflix again, so that your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply buy the subscription related to that location, because Netflix subscription is available for that location which you have bought. So in this way you can simply fix that error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.